Hey, we're at our listing at 928 Thornton Avenue. One of the best houses on the market right now for its price. It's turnkey, ready to go. Let's check it out. One of the things that the homeowner did to start off with is that this was a fully enclosed porch. And a lot of times those are just way too small and kind of janky. What I really love what they did here is that they just did less is more. What that means is they just made this a simple covered front porch. All right, let's check it out inside now. All right, as you come in here, you'll see the spacious front living room here. Everything's been updated here. You got updated LVP flooring. You have updated can lights, recessed lighting right here. I'm a less is more type of person, and I think it's a fantastic living room here. I love the choices they had. All right off of the living room here, you have your front first bedroom. It's good space overall. As you progress here, you'll see now the primary bedroom here. It's very spacious. You got some nice beams right here. Then you have a nice oversized closet space here. So this even goes further to the sides here. Updated flooring in here as well. And then as you walk in, you check out the shower here, just fully updated. Everything's been new here, new shower, new tile. We got a new vanity right here. We progress now to the kitchen. I love the open pantry right here. Got all new appliances, stainless steel. You have really nice granite countertops, nice backsplash new cabinets here. All the appliances stay here. What I like from an efficiency standpoint, you got your washer dryer right here as well. This is a really sleek, really beautiful renovated home. I love that everything's been updated here. Now we'll progress to the backyard. I like how they have the really nice front porch, but then back here you have a really nice updated deck here. There's no garage, but you have an updated shed right here to store all your yard equipment. You have steel siding. All right, as you come down here, as you'll see, you have your furnace. You have an additional set of washer dryer as well. But what I like about the basement is that it's great for storage. You already have main floor laundry, so you don't really have to come down here every day. But if you have your Christmas stuff, your seasonal clothes you're not going to be wearing, this is a wonderful amount of space for storage. If you're looking for a home that's been fully renovated in the heart of Des Moines, this is your home. This house has 2 bedrooms, fully updated kitchen, fully updated flooring, fully updated bathroom. Whether you're downsizing or you're looking for your first home to buy, this is it. This is a wonderful home. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you for watching the tour.